After the hay tire, uh, farms of varying sizes hired a contractor who had a mobile baler and would come and bale the whole rick of hay for them using what we used to call the nodding donkey to feed the hay into the bale, or straw as the case may be. And it sort of put the poor old hay tire out of business. And that was the stationary baler which you see in this picture. And the Astors had one, of course. They had their own thrashing machine as well, a Marshall, which we'll talk about later. But smaller farmers usually found a contractor who would tour the area and come and bale their hay from the rick as and when required. So, I hope this instrument that you see is of interest. And it was a wire baler. In other words, it was wire that was thread through between the bales and kept them compressed. So you often hear of a baling wire network. Well, this is what they were talking about, was the baling wire, which came in cut lengths to wind up and put on around the bales. They would self-tighten. The hay was compressed a little bit more, and then it would expand as it came to the end, and the wires would tighten up. So there you go. Hope this has been of interest to you, and we'll come back again with a little bit more. Bye for now.